You're kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's Isabella's birthday.
Yeah, it is.
Awkward.
Yeah. We're gonna bake a cake, a lemon poppy seed cake, inspired by Christian John's. Love you, girl. In case you're watching.
What kind of cake we're making? Have you ever seen my kitchen? Whoa. Can I just spray something?
I didn't know that there was a difference in cake flour and regular flour.
I don't think it's a thing everybody knows, but there is a difference. I don't know what it is.
Is it a flour more?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
We have to start zesting the lemons.
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Brought all of my lemons in here. And the butter.
Wow, did nothing.
I'll take it stronger.
Once you finish with the lemon, give it to me because I'm gonna go ahead and juice it. You ready, guys? I'm gonna be really smart for a second. The seeds. Again. This probably wouldn't be smart.
Ow! Flipper joggers.
You okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Kind of stick around on 18. Look all the white in here. Okay, you're done. You're done. Cutting you off. Do another lemon. I think I'm just like so tired.
Our last bake with me that was really hyper. He drank a lot of coffee before.
Water is caffeine.
I don't know what to do.
That's exactly from the wow.
This morning they surprised me.
Oh yeah.
The little drive, and it was so nice. Some very nice people there. Very nice looking people there. I'm not putting that.
Yes, you have to put that in there. It's me. She's talking about me. I was nice
and
looking.
Jess. Aw, Jess. Hi, I'm Dory, and I suffer from short-term memory loss. 2 of these is 8 ounces.
You sure?
Nope, but you can look on the thing.
Oh.
What?
Look how tiny they are. So cute and little. Oh, I get it. This is a full stick.
Oh no. You know what my mom did for my birthday?
What?
I'm asking you.
Oh no.
Guess what my mom did for my birthday?
Oh no.
This smells very delicious. That's how my teeth burn, though you eat it. I just eat like this.
We're so good.
Now we're in a different spot. Look good?
This looks so yummy.
This is them. They look very cute.
They smell so good.
Just look at la la la.
You like from Ariel?
Yes, it's from The Little Mermaid.
She just asked for Ariel's from The Little Mermaid. That's the name of the mermaid, isn't it?
I just ate half a pack of M&M's. M&M. Alexa, play Back God. Wait, do I put the cream cheese? Yes. Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, because my screen's falling off.
Oh my god.
You're kidding.
I am. You've been in here for what, a year? I think it was in there for like 2 minutes.
You're gonna have to.
I did get it out of there.
You're gonna have to use a straw. Oh, it's gonna smell like a butter party in here. Is it hot?
Yeah, no, but
It
it's
do
not
be
butter.
hot though.
Your hand do be purple though.
You don't need it melted and soft.
Oh my god.
Did you just fart?
No? What?
Thought I heard farting.
Of my crying? Oh my god.
Hey guys, we're taking out the things. Perfect.
Whoa.
Mom gets really mad when I find out surprises.
I do too.
Then she doesn't want to do it anymore.
It's so annoying because I hate when people like it's gonna be so fun to surprise you and then like especially you.
Surprising isn't fun.
Like
Sage is angry because I'm smart.
no.
I want to eat it though. But
You
I
gotta
can't.
wait though. It do be waiting though.
It do be not the time though.
You do be gotta wait though.
It do be tasting good though.
Oh my god.
Okay, bye, I
Stop
gotta
that.
go.